Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to take off your strap on your Sony Mirrorless camera. So what you want to do is come over here, to this part, and you want to push up through here, like that. Then you want to, once that is up through there, you just want to pull. Then this part should come undone. Pull that bit through the other side, like so. Then what you want to do is slip this piece off right here, and then the strap should just come out. Then make sure you don't lose this part right here. And the same on the other side, you want to push this up, pull it through, undo this part right here, slide it off, and make sure you don't lose that part. There you go, that's how you take your strap off.